Welcome to Talkscoin Network. This program provides cryptocurrency news and educational entertainment only and does not encourage investment decisions.
20 years ago, companies were measured by factories, workers, and physical assets. Today, a new metric is rapidly gaining importance across technology industries: tokens.
In 2026, the global cryptocurrency market remains valued in the trillions of dollars, while artificial intelligence continues expanding into nearly every major industry.
A decade ago, businesses competed through software and data. Today, many organizations are also competing through computing power and tokenized digital ecosystems.
Every AI conversation, report, analysis, and request is converted into tokens that help modern models process information efficiently.
Human employees work with time and expertise. AI systems operate through computation measured in tokens, creating a new way to evaluate productivity.
Executives increasingly track AI usage, token consumption, and computational efficiency alongside traditional business expenses.
Companies now ask how many tokens are used each month, how much value is generated, and which AI systems deliver the strongest results per unit of computation.
Leading AI providers report processing extraordinary volumes of tokens daily as demand for intelligent services continues growing worldwide.
In many ways, tokens within AI systems resemble electricity during the industrial age. Efficiency often determines competitive advantage.
Behind every AI response are powerful processors operating simultaneously inside data centers located across North America, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East.
Global investment in AI infrastructure has accelerated dramatically as governments and private companies race to expand computing capacity.
Many experts now discuss distributed computing models that allow millions of devices to contribute resources instead of relying only on centralized facilities.
This is where blockchain technology enters the conversation by enabling transparent records, digital incentives, and decentralized coordination.
Blockchain networks can track contributions, distribute rewards, and verify transactions without requiring a single central authority.
Just as the internet transformed information sharing, decentralized networks may help transform how computing resources are organized and utilized.
In this emerging model, tokens become more than speculative assets. They may function as digital representations of participation within large online ecosystems.
Among thousands of blockchain projects, Pi Network has attracted attention through its focus on community participation and accessibility.
Publicly available reports indicate that Pi Network has accumulated tens of millions of engaged users across many countries and regions around the world.
As AI ecosystems expand, markets may require digital identity systems, payment mechanisms, and methods for verifying authentic human participation.
Questions surrounding ownership, compensation, and verification become increasingly important as AI-generated content and services grow.
Supporters of blockchain technology believe decentralized networks may help address some of these challenges through transparent verification systems.
Throughout history, value has often emerged from widespread utility and adoption, rather not scarcity alone.
Gold became valuable because people trusted and used it. Modern currencies gained influence through broad acceptance and economic activity.
Future digital ecosystems may similarly depend on how effectively tokens support transactions, services, and real-world utility.
Artificial intelligence may generate knowledge and services, while blockchain networks may help move value across decentralized communities.
Many analysts see AI and blockchain as two technological trends whose interaction could shape parts of the digital economy during the coming decade.
The most important question may not be the price of a digital asset, but the amount of economic activity and utility it helps create.
This report is for news, education, and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Thank you for watching Talkscoin Network.